Unboxing my favorite wing ever. Here a badass bolt kit. Two stickers. And I bought the biggest one. So 1850 club. Then this box. That's pretty much all your hardware with the, I don't know if you can see. So I asked for the XL. That is huge. I got a huge side plate, XL. So I just want to take a video to show you guys how it is still after the end of the season. It's pretty sturdy, guys. I have a aluminum bar here and welded tabs on both ends, so it's a little bit lower than the trunk, but it is really sturdy. Like, I don't have any wires like X wires on them, and just want to show you. This video does justice, but if you can see here, that's my fault. I was trying to back my car in my trailer, and I forgot that I had the tire hanger opened, so I back it up in the spoiler, into the spoiler, and like you can see it. It's not, when I installed it, it was perfectly, the height was perfect, everything was perfect. But since then, I know that the left side of the wing is like not an inch, but maybe half an inch, quarter of an inch lower. I can see it. Nobody told me about it, but I know it. So I'm gonna redo the frame this winter. But yeah, the BCL wing is really good. Like it was my favorite wing. It's really sturdy. The only thing I have to do to perfect it is paint it, but like it comes flat black, and you have to paint it. But even though I didn't paint it and it looks good, so it doesn't bother me now. But yeah, this is what it looks like after a season. And even with the with that accident here, the quality is unmatched. Like I I had NRG, yeah, NRG wing, and it was never that good.